Uh-oh.
You know, I'll be honest with you, I got a little scared there because I didn't know how deep it was. You want to keep walking this way?
I like walking because I get my steps in, and I like the water. So.
Hey, this is an awesome place. I like it. We need to come back with everybody.
Hey. Oh, nice stuff. No, hey, stop.
Oh, shit.
It's stop. Four-wheel drive. Actually, here, can I do it?
But we're sitting in a hole right
Yeah,
here.
the fronts are the only ones that's going to be able to dig.
Once you get momentum, it'll be fine.
That's the problem. It's getting momentum. Oh, the front dip's not one of the long. Oh, there it is. So we almost got the RMax stuck. And I will show you where. I'm about a knee depth. That's where our rear tires were. And this, you can't really see it. That's where my front tires were right there. You might be able to see the shadows right there. Right there. Thankfully, since we're in two-wheel drive, we had the front wheels good. With that bad boy in four-wheel drive with diff lock, we got out of there. I could have kept that going for a while.
I'm dizzy. Shit.
If you stiffen up the shocks, you don't roll as much. Yeah, that did what I wanted. I'm trying to test the limits of the machine so I know how to get out when I do stuff. All right, we're gonna 4x4 it. Stuck over there. Oh, he's waiting. I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna turn around and pull him. Soft shackle and if we have it.
In the kinetic?
Yeah.
I think he's probably good. I never saw you, and he was like, "Wait, I think I saw somebody was stuck." And I was like, "Turn around."
I was thinking I was gonna clear that. I gotta go more speed.
Oh, I guess you can just reverse back here.
You're welcome, man.
I'll be around that corner. Get a little Matt's off-road recovery today.
Oh, there you go.
We've been watching the stuff in the videos all the time.
Is that the way out?
Yeah. Let's just go ahead and call him. Let's just go ahead and call him today.
Yeah.
I was using the same lingo. I said, just give it a little bit of gas, but as Matt,
You were doing the sand toe.
yeah, the same.
Yeah, you're good. You're fine. Well, that's a wrap.
Did pretty good for today. No issues whatsoever. Actually, a few issues, but we fixed it ourselves. And we helped somebody